In this tutorial, we will learn how to perform match runs in order to find the optimal selections within your KPD. For this tutorial, we've loaded the large KPD example file, which is available in the software release. Before performing a match run, you should set the parameters. Go to the match run menu, click Set Parameters, and this will bring up a number of options available for the match run. Start by choosing the optimization scheme, either cycles and chains, which will look for the best solution consisting of simple cycles and chains, or cycles and chains with fallbacks, which further takes into account the ability to fall back to any subcycle or subchain in the case of donor candidate or match failure, or locally relevant subgraphs, which looks for the best solution of more general subgraphs of the KPD network, also accounting for fallback options. We'll choose locally relevant subgraphs for this tutorial. Next option is how we want to interpret utility, either in terms of total number of transplants, estimated 5-year survival based on donor and recipient characteristics, similarly for 10-year survival, the total number of difficult to match pairs, or the total assigned scores of the transplants involved. We'll simply maximize in terms of number of transplants here. You can set the maximum cycle and chain length, and the maximum subgraph size for locally relevant subgraphs. Then there are a number of numerical parameters that can be adjusted, such as the advantage to add to high PRA candidates, as well as the number of solutions you want to produce, as well as whether you want to estimate or calculate exactly the expected value to be assigned for fallback options. Additional policy options can be found in the Additional Options tab if desired. Once these parameters are set, click OK, and now we're ready to perform our match run. Either click the green arrow in the toolbar, or in the match run menu, click Perform Match Run, or hit Ctrl-R on the keyboard. The solutions will automatically be populated into the Solutions tab in the right panel of the screen, along with any previously found solutions. Clicking any of these solutions will display the relevant nodes and matches in the visualization panel. Right-clicking the solution gives the option to cluster the solution for easier viewing. Or to see more detailed information about the solution. Notice that in this case, since we have a fallback solution, the arrows are not restricted to simple cycles or chains.